Stop scrolling. This envelope indicator, to combine with moving averages, can help you to spot big move in the market and to catch those higher probability trade in the market. And this is exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video today. Most of traders, they ignore strategies and indicator like this. This is why they keep missing big move in the market, and they take bad trade and missing higher probability trade in the market. But as you are going to watch this video from the beginning, at the end of this video, you'll be able to take higher probability trade and to take those good entries in the market. Remember guys, forex trading is all about higher probability trade. There's no luck involved in forex market, but if you have a good strategy that can help you to catch those big move in the market that is going to happen in the market, then you are good to go to become a profitable trader. Nobody want to lose. Nobody want to take bad trade. As an intraday trader, you don't wish to take bad trade at all. We all wish to be on the winning side. But what matters most is the strategies that we are using. Sometimes we are using bad strategies in bad market condition and so on. But if you find a suitable indicator, a suitable strategy that it can help you to improve your trade, to improve your winning rate, then you are good to go. This is why watch this video from the beginning at the end of this video, so that you'll be among those traders that are taking good trade each and every day as intraday trader. Hit for me that like button, then like the video. And if this is your first time to watch this channel, let me just ask you to hit for me that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, so you become part of the community. This is gold that we've been trading since yesterday, and you can see that I already doubled this. You can see that the profit that is running based on this indicator, and I also share this signal in my free signal daily group. If you didn't join yet our free daily signals, you can click the link in the description of this video and be part of this wonderful channel where you get daily signals, guys. As you keep learning, get those daily signals. So guys, I'm going to show you all the indicators, how to set these indicators, how you can trade with them, and many more that I'm going to explain. So first of all, you click on the F sign to add indicators. So here we need moving averages first, and you also have these two, relative strength index and envelope indicator. So we first start with moving average. You click on the main chart, look for moving average. The first moving average that we are using is having period 7 and shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply is to close. Applies to close. Style is 4 pips. So color, about color, I put red color, but you can put any color you want. Color does not matter, as long as you know this is my 7th EMA, which is our fastest moving average. You know how to differentiate them, you are good. So you can put any color that you want to put on these moving averages. After you do that, you can click on done. Okay, so here we have this is the first EMA, 7th, which is our fastest EMA. And then we go again, we click on the F sign. After we click on the F sign, we are going to add our second indicator. Click again on the main chart. Look for moving average. After you find moving average, click on moving average. So here we are going to add period is 17. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply is to close. Style is 4 pixel. Color of your choice, as I said, you can put any color, it doesn't matter, but I put a blue color right here, and then from there you can click on done. So guys, this is our second EMA, which is having period 17 in blue color that we just added. Hit for me that like button there. Don't forget to hit for me the like button as you are watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time to watch this wonderful channel where you get all these indicators. Guys, they are very good indicators that can help you into your trading journey. As you are intraday trader, they are indicators that you need to learn. So we are going to add another indicator, which will be our indicator in our RSI. So you click on the F sign. After you click on the F sign, now here click on indicator, click on main chart, look for relative strength index. After you see relative strength index, here we are using period. Period is 1. Apply to close. Style is 3 pips. So here let me make something clear. On if you are having a background, your MT4 or MT5 is in white background, you must put the color white because you don't need it. If you are having MT4 chart is having black background, put black. It depends which one is your background for MT4. As my MT4 is in white background, this is why I put white color. And then 3 pips. So here we come on the level. This is what also you need to do. You make sure you put the correct details on the level side because it's very, very important. This is our engine. This is where everything depends on. So make sure you don't make any mistake as you are adding up these settings. Guys, copy everything that you see on my screen. Hit for me the like button, then like the video as you are watching the video. And if it's your first time to follow me on YouTube, make sure you give the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss new video that I keep uploading on the channel. So here on the relative strength index, here we are using the first zoom level. It's having period 10, level 10. Description is waiting zone. The second level we are using level 20. Description you put buy. And another level is level 50. Description you can put take profit. Another level we are using is level 80. Description is sell. Another level that we are using is level 90, which is our last level. Description is waiting zone. Style is 3 pips. So color of your choice, Guys, this color, they don't matter at all. As long as you understand the strategy, as long as you can know which one is which one based on the color that you set, that's all matter. After that, you can go back, you click on done. So guys, we add already relative strength index right now. We are just adding relative strength index. The next part, which is the last part now, is to add a last indicator. Click on the F sign. After you click on the F sign, click on indicator window 1, guys. Do not click on the main chart anymore, but click on indicator window 1. Look for envelope. When you see envelope, click on it. Here we are having on envelope. On envelope, we are using period 14, shift 0, deviation is 0.008, and method is exponential. Apply to close. Upper band is 3 pips, so color of your choice, and lower band is 3 pips, so color of your choice, and then you can click on done. Guys, as you can see, we just finished setting up all our indicator that we need, and I'm going now to the next step to explain to you how to use this indicator. Make sure you don't skip this part because it's also very important to know how to use the indicator. So the first thing to note here is these two moving averages, the 7th EMA and the 2nd EMA. But sorry guys, before I go there, let me start first with zoom level. I don't want to skip this part, zoom level, because it's very important. Make sure you learn and practice the strategy. Here we are using zoom level number 3. If your chart is like this, bring it 1, bring it 2, bring it 3. We are done. That is the zoom level that you need to use here. And then 30-minute time frame, the strategy can work on 30-minute time frame in all assets, especially gold. It's good on gold. All currency pairs the strategy can work on. So here about how to buy. Let's start with how to buy. The first thing that will react here to give you a buy signal, it will be this moving average, which is the red one. The 7th EMA is our fastest EMA, very fast to react to the price condition. And then after it react, you'll see it will cross the blue line, which is our slower EMA, having period 17. And immediately you see that crossover. You see the price here on envelope. It's also on waiting zone, which is level number 10. When the envelope is still in the waiting zone, do not buy yet. You must wait. Wait until also the envelope break level 20. Once the envelope break level 20, which is buy, that is now the moment the indicator is telling you to buy. Guys, there you can jump in the market, guys. And you can take your profit when the price reach to level 50. Guys, most of traders, they like patience. You know, the problem of many traders is not about strategies. Sometimes it's just your patience. Many traders, they don't have patience to wait on entries. They keep jumping one trade after another without any confirmation. You just like you are gambling. No, you must make sure the indicator that you are using, the strategy that you are using, any strategy that ever happened in forex market, it built with your patience. If you want it to work for you, you must make sure you are patient enough for it. So make sure you have a good entry that is fulfill all the conditions that you need in order for you to jump or to take a trade. So by doing so, you'll be able to take good entries and higher probability trade only and stay on the winning side only. But if you are that trader that is jumping from this trade to another trade without any good confirmation, trust me, you are still really far to be a profitable trader. Stop guessing, but make sure you do what you know. And on the selling side as well is still the same. On the selling side, you'll wait until when the red line cross the blue line to go downside, and once the envelope is still at level 90, which is selling zone, you must wait. Waiting zone, you must wait until it break level 90. Once it break level 80, that is the indication for you to sell, and you can take your profit once you see the envelope reaching at level 50. Guys, I hope this strategy is going to be very useful for you. Don't forget to leave a feedback in the comment section. Let me know after you try this strategy how it worked for you. Come and give us feedback so that we can get more motivated to give you more and more powerful signals. Do not forget to join our signals, my free daily signals that I send. The link, you can get it in the description. Let me see you in the next video, guys, where I'm going to upload another indicator that it can help you to swing a trade, to give you swing confirmation, guys.